In our previous video, we showed you how to order votes and polls using the ViewsByFollowers bot. Today, we're going to teach you how to add your channel to the ViewsByFollowers bot. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram and search for TelesmmViewsByFollowers bot. Step 2. Click Start to begin. Step 3. Tap on ViewsByFollowers. Step 4. Click on Add Channel and choose your channel. If your channel is private, you'll need to send the channel link again after this step. If your channel is public, you will see the next options right away. Step 5. Select your total views, posts per day, and number of days. Step 6. Click Order Now. Step 7. Select the random range. Step 8. Tap Yes to confirm, and you're done. It's that simple. Now you've successfully added your channel to the ViewsByFollowers bot. For more useful and informative videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.